everybody, welcome to another week. It's almost the end of the month, which means Q2 is upon us, and like a changing quarter can sometimes change the market, especially in the traditional markets like stocks and that. All the tax season and everything is over in the States. All the tax reporting stuff is all over. And I know everything just seems to be bottoming at the moment, doesn't it? So I thought it would be fun to have a look at the charts, and we're going to start with some shit coins. Now, why? Because if we are truly risk on, then people are going to want to start looking at buying super risky coins. So if people are buying super risky coins, then the market is risk on, and then people are going to start buying crypto in general. And like Floki is one of those dog coins that does nothing except being a dog coin, but it just looks like it's bottoming here, like an Adam and Eve sort of bottom. It's closed up pretty well. It's almost over the 50. You got Shiba Inu is above all of the EMAs that are the important ones. Just put this line in here. So it's bounced here previously, then launched, and we're just above that now. I'm not saying buy these coins, by the way. I'm just saying that if other people are, we could be risk on again, which means that the quality stuff should also be going up. Dodge. Yo, Dodge, it's breaking here. It's above the 50. If that breaks the 200, then geez, I don't know, we could be back on. AVAX is broken out of this larger pennant sort of thing. Came up, broke up, came back, retested the bottom of the triangle, and now it's broken out of this bull flag thing, bull pennant. So that's good, and it closed solid green, so towards the end of the week. So the weekly's closed here because today's Monday. So the daily's closed here, the weekly's closed here, and it's solid. There's no wicks, so there's no pullbacks. It's not like it got sold off towards the end of the day. It was just strong, solid green. So I'm expecting more up because of that. Lunar is just grinding its way up. This whole Duquan thing is really getting the market excited. So if you're not on Twitter, there's a lot more hype. People are really happy. A large part of that, though, for my feed anyway, because a lot of the big guys are also NFT guys, so they would have got a big payout with Bored Apes, so they've probably got like a 6-figure payout. So they're putting all this money into other NFTs, so the NFT market's sort of hot at the moment. Solana has just been added to OpenSea. So all the Solana NFT fanboys are going, oh my god, this is going to be great. And so yeah, the hype is just generally, the mood is generally good, which is a good thing, because it means people are more likely to be getting involved again. We're not as depressed anymore. And I used to see a heap of messages on Twitter about, hey, what game should I play? And I've been playing my PlayStation, I want to play a new game or whatever, because that says that they're not actively in the markets, they're just waiting and doing nothing. So I'm not seeing that much anymore. People are actually talking about the markets and the coins and projects, and so that's a good thing. Let's switch to Bitcoin. So that's closed strong. Here's January 1, which is this coin here. I'll draw in another line. So January 1, the open, right below this candle here. So that's the yearly open. We've just closed above the yearly open. That's great. That's a great thing. We're above the 200 EMA here. We're above everything, all the EMAs. So price is bullish here. The weekly's closed strong. It's just wiped out all of this back to start of January. So the week of this week started, so 47.2-ish, so we're not quite above here, but it looks like it wants to keep going though. So it's been 2 solid weeks. On the weekly's never been, hasn't been bearish at all. It's been higher lows the entire time, so it's fantastic. The problem with the weekly is that it moves too slow, so everybody's concentrating on, you know, this part here where it was all doom and gloom, but now we're starting to see some relief. It could, if you want a bearish view, then the retrace, the golden fib retrace would be, you know, we get to 55, which is here. The bearish outlook would be retrace to here and then sort of come back and continue lower, or go up, come back, and then take off this way. I don't see any reason why we wouldn't at least get to the 50s if this keeps going. So just undo all of that. Yeah, it's cleared all this mess, which is great. So all of this traffic, it's cleared. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Same with Ethereum. Where's my EMAs? Come on. Here they are. Yeah, so it's cleared the 200, cleared the 50, cleared the 20, cleared the bollies. Ethereum, for me, we want to clear this little section here, which it's trying to. It's looking good. It's looking good though, everything's positive. FBTC is sort of consolidating, so it's not stronger than Bitcoin at the moment. Solana's having a good pump, but it's still not above the 200, which is also, you know, around this level here. Still good though. You could do like a range trade between here and this top and take profits off here if you just wanted to do a short-term thing. So, you know, buy in here, have some sells waiting around this area. People were talking about Litecoin on Twitter. I wonder why. Looks much the same as everything else, so I'm not sure why they're celebrating. Maybe they're just bag holders and they want their coin to pump, which it is. So it's the same with everything else. There's this big bull dip which has gone on for 2 months. FTT's broken out. Polkadot hasn't broken out yet. Going to run into the 200 with Polkadot. BNB is right at the 200, so that's looking good too. Should break through there. Where's ADA? Let's have a look at that. So ADA's broken this level, which is good for the ADA fanboys. We've got this other level here which needs to break, and then the 200. So you get past all that traffic and then it's off to the races again. Matic, there's a level in here, so you got to punch this, which it might. So if everything else is going up, all of these coins are going to follow each other. That's the main thing. But do keep an eye on, you know, the meme coins, because they are the risk on stuff. Let's have a look at Ape. What's that doing? I haven't looked at that in a while. So ApeCoin is, whoa, ApeCoin looks like it wants to, which it already has. It's starting to break out now. There's a bit of traffic here though. How much traffic? A little bit, but it's definitely broken out of here. So that's just happened this morning along with everything else when it pumped up. So ApeCoin could be something that you want to get in on as well. You can go to FTX for that if you want it. You don't have to use a DEX. What else we got? Sand. Let's have a look at sand. Yep. I don't think I really need to check anything else. Everything just looks the same. So if you've got some uncorrelated markets like just low cap altcoins or something like that, then see what they're up to, but the major players are all following each other and they're all looking pretty bullish to me, so that's good. Good week. If you got any questions, then chuck it in the comments or hit me up in the Facebook group or Twitter. But yeah, everything's good. Market seems to be turning. People are happy on social media, so let's fingers crossed for a market-wide correction, shall we? Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. It's still going green. I was hoping that it wasn't going to pull back and hit that then jump, but it's still looking like it wants to go up, so that's good. All right. Trade with the flow. Go long. Have tight stops though, because you could get, there's bears out there waiting to do a long squeeze and try and get you. But this whole Luna thing with Duquan buying, it's just dragging the market up, which is great. So keep stacking. Talk to you guys later.